When dividing exponents, the first thing you're going to look at is, can we divide whole numbers without creating a fraction? In this case, we cannot. 7 and 6 have nothing in common but the number 1. So 7 and 6 are going to carry through to our answer. The next thing we are going to look at is our variables. We have a v in the numerator and we have one in the denominator. One with an exponent of 5 and one with an exponent of 2. So what this means is you have repeated multiplication in the numerator where you have 5 v's. In the denominator, you have 2 v's. Now, for every v you see in the numerator, oops, I missed a v up here. We have 5 v's. There we go. For every v that you see in the numerator and every one you see in the denominator, they cancel out, creating a 1. Which means that you have 3 left over. When we have 3 left over, how we represent our answer is going to be 7 over 6 v, and there's 3 left over in the numerator. Let's take a look at another problem. What if we have something like 12 over 18 m to the 4th y to the 6th, and m to the 3rd, y to the 8th. Okay, in this case, when we look at our whole numbers, this time we do have something we can simplify. Both of these numbers have a greatest common factor of 6. 6 goes into 12 2 times, so we can simplify our answer here. 12 divided by 2, 12 divided by 6 is 2. Let's get the highlighter off. There we go. And 18 divided by 6 is 3. So that's going to be part of our answer, 2 over 3. Next, let's look at our variables. Now, we've got 4 m's in the numerator. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. In the denominator, we've got 3. Again, if we start crossing things out, for every 1 that I see up there, that I see down here, I can take 3 away, leaving me with 1 m on top in the numerator. So I have 1 here. You can either put the 1 or you can leave the 1 off. For y's, we have 6 of them, okay? So I am going to write that over here. I have 6 y's, but down here I have 8. Okay, what's going to happen is I'm going to be able to cancel out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 y's. I'm going to do the same thing here. I am left over with 2 y's, but the y's are left in the denominator, which means that they are going to go here, and I represent the 2 with the exponent. So this is my answer. Let's take a look at one more thing. Let's say you have a problem where you have an exponent attached to a variable and it has nothing in the denominator. So for example, m to the 4th over 8 n to the 3rd. And we want to simplify this problem. First of all, 8 is all by itself. There is no whole number up in the numerator unless you have a 1. Since that cannot be simplified, I'm going to go ahead and leave that as 1 over 8. I have 1n in the numerator, but I have 3 in the denominator. I cross 1 out. I am now left with 2 in the denominator. M to the 4th, there are no m's. So since I can't combine it with anything, just like with the 8, I just carry it through to my answer. And that is my simplified answer.